Welcome to Exam Sale, your go-to resource for acing the Cisco Adopting the Cisco Business Architecture Approach exam. This 5-minute video will walk you through the syllabus, highlighting key domains, weights, and topics you need to master. The Cisco Adopting the Cisco Business Architecture Approach exam is divided into 5 domains, each with a specific weightage. Customer Business Foundation at 22%, Business Transformation at 20%, Customer Engagement at 20%, Strategy and Roadmap at 19%, and Business Capabilities and Solutions at 19%. Understanding these domains is crucial to cracking the exam. In the Customer Business Foundation domain, you'll learn to analyze business models, financial statements, and external influences to establish a customer baseline. This involves evaluating business model canvas components, analyzing customer value propositions, executing SWOT and PESTLE analysis frameworks, identifying business motivation model elements, analyzing organizational structure and culture, interpreting financial statements and fiscal reports, and assessing external market and industry trends. Moving on to the business transformation domain, you will be guiding customers through the transition from technology-focused to business outcome-led strategies. Key topics include defining business-led versus technology-led approaches, managing the solution life cycle for business value, developing comprehensive business transformation plans, identifying and mitigating transformation barriers, applying organizational change management principles, determining value realization metrics, and evaluating business agility and process optimization. In the customer engagement domain, the focus shifts to managing stakeholder relationships and building trust through professional business communication. You'll learn to identify and categorize key stakeholders, develop trusted advisor relationships, execute business-centric communication strategies, facilitate stakeholder discovery workshops, manage stakeholder expectations and conflicts, influence decision-makers through business language, and establish rapport across diverse organizational levels. Next up is the strategy and roadmap domain, where you'll learn to align technology initiatives with long-term business goals through structured roadmaps. This involves aligning IT strategy with corporate business goals, developing short-term and long-term roadmaps, prioritizing initiatives based on business impact, defining key performance indicators, calculating return on investment scenarios, conducting total cost of ownership analysis, and establishing success criteria and measurement plans. Finally, in the business capabilities and solutions domain, you will be mapping business requirements to specific capabilities and supporting technology solutions. Key topics include mapping technology solutions to business capabilities, conducting gap analysis for business requirements, analyzing the impact of disruptive technologies, translating business requirements into solution features, evaluating scalability and flexibility of solutions, developing data-driven business cases for solutions, and validating solution alignment with business architecture. In conclusion, mastering these 5 domains is essential to passing the Cisco Adopting the Cisco Business Architecture Approach exam. By understanding the weightage and topics covered in each domain, you will be well prepared to tackle the exam and take your business architecture skills to the next level.